So I'm working on fitting another set of moldings on the windows. And I need to take off just a small amount just to make it fit a little bit better. So you might think, well, I'll cut it here and then I'll start ripping it down through here, but that's very difficult to do that. So another method is the multi-cut. And I've seen this on the Victorian, a book that was showing how they did bevel edges. They would do multiple cuts like this close together and then take a chisel and go along it and take them all out. And that would be for doing a bevel like here to bevel this off. Nowadays we use routers. But so the multi-cut technique can work pretty good in some situations. It really can. In this case, I probably can do it with a utility knife. I probably don't even need a chisel. And maybe I could put my cuts a little closer, but that's not bad. It's white pine, so it's really not. Where you'll run into a problem is if you try to do it across a knot. That's tough. Okay, so the multi-cut method is sometimes very helpful. I can show you what we're doing here. So I do have some molding for here to start, but I wanted to finish this one up first. I brought some 1.5 inches, so if I bring this out with 1.5 inches right here, then I can put this on all the way across there and it'll look good. So the only reason I need to take a little bit off that is right there. You can see how that sticks out a little bit there to make that right. Okay, let's go cut it and then we'll get this side in. We already got the other side, and then we can probably get measurements for the top. And I did already nail this, so we're ready to put this piece in there. Let's go do it.